Hi there, welcome back to the next video, and in this video we will move on and continue our journey for the charting. So in the previous video you have seen the simple bar chart and how we moved on to a stack bar chart, which is this is horizontal, and if you need vertical then this is basically the vertical one. So this is what we covered in the previous video. But in this video, let's say our requirement is that these stacks we don't want like this, because this does not show very effectively whether this particular segment, which is consumer, is greater than this particular section, which is consumer technology, and this is consumer furniture. And I want that for each of my customer category I need a separate bar itself, so that I can make comparison pretty easy. I don't have to do a lot of exercise by my eyes to see, okay, this is 391k and then this is 406k, but by just looking at the chart itself I should be able to understand that which one is higher and which one is lower based on the different product categories. So to do that, what we have is basically the group or the clustered bar chart. So once we click over here, you can clearly see that that stack is divided into 3 different bar for each consumer. Each bar represent the product category, and if I expand it, it clearly says that this particular technology in the consumer is going far and above in case when comparison with the consumer. Here in this case, clear comparison is present, that this is the highest one, followed by this and then this. Similarly here, a proper comparison or a clear comparison has been made. So a stack bar chart which we created earlier, which is this, you can see that from a comparison perspective it gives us a lot of challenge, whereas the group bar chart or the clustered bar chart gives us the flexibility that we can easily make some sort of a comparison. Now, like I discussed earlier, that by default you will get this type, that means the horizontal clustered bar chart. If you need vertical, you have the option available over here, and you click over there, you get the vertical one, and this again a very easy and a standard way by which your end user basically sees the information. So if I go back to the report, clearly it shows how a normally bar chart is basically shown, and it clearly reflects the comparison sort of feature, where your eye don't have to do a lot of exercise to make sure that what is higher, what is lower, but from the visual itself, in just few seconds you can clearly know which bar is high and which bar is low. So that's what I wanted to discuss in this video about the clustered bar chart, which is the horizontal and the vertical or the column chart for the clusters.